Hi friends, welcome to Unreal Art Wizard. You want to use the starter content, but you forgot to tick the box when you were creating your project? No worries, you don't need to create your project again. You can just add starter content to the existing one. Let me show you how. I am inside of my project in Unreal Engine 5. Later I will show you how to do it in Unreal Engine 4 as well. You can add starter content by clicking on Add, then going to Add Feature or Content Pack. Here you can see all of the templates you can import into your project. And to find starter content, you go to Content and click Add to Project. To find it, go to Content folder and you will find it there. To see the example map with all of the assets on display, you go to Maps and open Starter Map. From here you can pick any asset you like and copy paste it into your project. If you're still in Unreal Engine 4, it's almost the same. You go to Add Import, Add Feature or Content Pack, go to Content Packs, choose between mobile and PC version, and then click on Add to Project. You go to your content folder and you find it here. If you found this tutorial useful, subscribe for more. Ciao!